The family is craving for some dessert. Alam niyo naman, ang aking personality, kailangan, hindi mahirap gawin. Kailangan sobrang ma-delicious. Fuss-free, tapos pantry-friendly ang ingredients. Kaya naman, gagawan ko sila ng something very familiar at merong dinadalang parang feeling of comfort, tsaka yung feeling na nasa bahay ka na, ang ganda nung pakiramdam. Alam niyo kung ano yan? Combination ng apples, cinnamon, warm, tapos may texture made from, graham crackers, and then lalagyan natin ng ice cream sa dulo. Nahulaan niyo na ba? Well, ako na magsasabi. Gagawa tayo ng no-bake apple crumble with vanilla ice cream. Ako nga pala si Liana Tan Arsenas for Food Swings. Napaka-madelicious gawin ang recipe nito. In just 3 steps, meron ka ng no-bake apple crumble with vanilla ice cream. At syempre, gagamit tayo ng PACITA Graham crackers, ang perfect aid mo for dessert or snack recipes. Simulan na natin. So, una kong gagawin is to combine ang ating crushed PACITA Graham crackers with our brown sugar and then salt. You have to combine this first very, very well. Tapos, meron tayong softened Magnolia Gold Butter unsalted. Ipe-press down ko kasi ito yung ating gagawing yung crumble. Pwede mo rin itong kamayin kasi i-heat naman natin. But okay na rin using fork. So ito yung actually tawag dito, cutting in, and you can actually use 2 forks, do it. So until crumbly siya. Now, kung meron ka rin pastry blender, you can use that also. Okay, I think this is good enough. Kasi crumbly, mealy naman na siya. And then, i-heat na natin to. So actually, you can do this way ahead. Tapos, i-store mo na lang sa isang airtight container. So every time mag-crave ka nitong... Actually, ito alone pwede ng dessert to eh. So pwede mo siya i-top. Kunyari yung banana, sliced bananas, lagyan mo ng konting honey. Kahit wala na nga, then just, put this on top. Or mixan mo ng konting mga granola or cereal. You're good. Okay, we're gonna toast this. So when you're done toasting, ilipat na natin siya sa isang baking tray. And we'll chill this, cool it first, and then chill it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meron na akong ready na toasted graham mixture, ready for use. Step 2. We will sauté our apples. So, i-drain ko muna. One way to prevent yung discoloration ng apples ay lagyan nyo ng acid. So, like lemon juice, calamansi juice, or kaya a sugar syrup. So, sugar solution para ma-prevent ang browning reaction. Initin natin yung Magnolia Gold Butter, unsalted. So, melt lang natin, tapos i-sauté natin ang ating apples na drain. Diba? Instant dessert to! Tapos, tamang-tama lang yung tamis niya. Alam mo naman, ang butter, or any type of fat that is, but, nothing beats butter. Maganda siyang flavor carrier. Yan. So, ilagay ko na. So, i-cook lang natin tong apples. Ako gusto ko may konting crunch. So, ayoko ng masyadong lutong-luto. Total, hindi naman siya hilaw na, ang apple pwede mo naman kainin as is. And then, we'll put in our cinnamon. Diba? Parang ang holiday ng feels pag ganito. Or talagang very comforting yung dating pag may cinnamon. Napaka-familiar. Ngayon, kung namamahalan kayo sa apples or naghahanap kayo ng substitute for apples, pwede naman kayong gumamit ng sayote. So, pwede niyong gamitin yon. Actually, yung mga sayote, it's a good way to extend yung mga apple pie. So, you put in real apples, tapos hahaluan. So, you can do that with this. Siyempre, yung apples, may ini-impart din siyang, diba, lasa, distinct taste. And the type of apple, siyempre ako, masarap dyan yung Granny Smith. Kung gusto mong medyo tarty, yung may konting acid, kasi mahilig din ako sa maasim na pagkain. Pero pag hindi naman kayo yung ganon, then just use yung Foodie, kasi crunchy pa rin siya kahit niluto mo. Okay, so the apples are tender enough. Ayoko nga masyadong soft so tama na to. So we'll transfer this here, in bowl. At pagkatapos, i-add natin yung ating chinil na Graham mixture. But we have to leave some pang topping kasi ang sarap niyan. So ito, it will absorb the excess moisture. And then habang warm, ilalagay na natin, i-assemble na natin siya. Diba? Ang dali-dali. So easy to do. Ito lang, makaka-impress ka na kasi dadaanin mo lang sa magandang lalagyan. Meron akong mga lalagyan dito para may option kayo. And then gusto mo, yung totoo naman, nilalagay nila sa ramekins. But pwede namang maarte, diba? Para very impressive. Tsaka may colored glasses kayo, why not? Diba? So ilagay mo lang siya. So this will actually make about 6 servings. But of course, depende sa size ng iyong container. Bango, that creamy smell and that delicious scent nung cinnamon tsaka apples. May takang factor siya. Hindi po to iniinom ha. You can put some height. Tawa rin tayo sa ramekins. Ooh. Ayan. Sarap. Alam mo, yung mga kids magugustuhan to because they like apples. They're not unfamiliar then with cinnamon. No? Masarap naman yung cinnamon. Hindi siya alienating. Tapos yung crunch ng ating Graham mixture ang magpapasarap dito. Plus, of course, the addition of mamaya yung ating Magnolia Classic Vanilla Ice Cream. Okay, so na-assemble na natin. Ilagay na natin ang ating Magnolia Classic Vanilla Flavor na ice cream. Yan. So, yung technique naman sa pag-scoop ng ice cream, huwag masyadong frozen na frozen para easier to handle. So, habang warm, ang ganda niyang lagyan. Plus, alam mo yung naglalaban yung, yung lamig-init. Ang sarap niyan. So, kayo nang bahala kung gusto niyo 1 or 2 scoops. First, magda-diet, okay na yung 1. You make your pag-assemble nicer by also using yung mga ramekins na colored, yung labas niya para may contrast pa, may dagdag sa kulay. Or be creative, use mga medyo kakaibang lalagyan, like ito, di ba? Yung pang-alcohol na glass ginamit natin to put in our dessert. So, lalagyan ko ng extra crumble sa ibabaw. Oh, ganda. Added crunch or texture to this wonderful dessert. So, you do this last minute. Ibig sabihin, you can actually prepare the apple mixture way ahead. Tapos, reheat mo na lang or microwave to warm it. Tapos, itong crumble mo, again, you can do this way ahead. Keep it in an airtight container. So, last minute assembly will be fine. So, effortless, di ba? Pero ang ganda-ganda, para kang kumain na sa restaurant. Yan. And then, when you have, syempre sabi natin magtabi, for added contrast and parang more brown color, lagyan natin ng extra crushed PACITA Graham crackers. Di ba? Perfect aid to your dessert recipes o kaya snack. Dami-dami magagawa with this PACITA Graham crackers. Marami pa kaming no-bake ideas actually. Ito na ang ating no-bake apple crumble with vanilla ice cream. Sana nainganyo kayo gawin itong fuss-free at very madelicious recipe na ito. Ako si Liana Tan Arsenas for Food Swings.
For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's Home Foodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads.
Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, hindi lang nakakatakam, but siguradong madelicious!